In this video, Bitcoin has finally found the support at the 200-week moving average, but the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So medyo masama lang pakiramdam ko, so I am trying my best to give an update video ngayon. But with that being said, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first a quick recap ng previous analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis, ang sabi nga natin, we were expecting Bitcoin to go down after this ascending channel breakdown. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng breakdown dyan, and then na-meet na nga yung target, which is the bottom of the channel. So, right now, yung initial na short position na inopen natin doon naka-close na. And then, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nag-update din ako dun sa group chat ko sa Facebook Messenger as well as sa Instagram channel ko. Nagbigay ako ng update doon kasi in the 4-hour time frame, you will find na meron na nga tayo dito bullish divergence wherein the price was declining while RSI was increasing. So, that is a sign of a bullish divergence. So, 'di ba? If naka-follow kayo dun sa group chat ko na yon, nakapag-open tayo ng long position dyan, and then ang target natin ngayon currently is going to be the 65,800 US dollars dito. So now that is for the very short term. Now, if you're going to look at this in the hourly time frame, you will find na nag-start din tayo mag-form ng channel dito. So ayan no, if you're going to plot a channel dyan, we are starting to form an ascending channel dito kay Bitcoin price action. But after that, what is going to happen dito kay Bitcoin? So right now, I am expecting Bitcoin to go back man lang to 64.5 at least dito, or at least a 64,000 US dollars. And then from there on, dyan natin malalaman if marireach ba natin yung 65.8. But I'm not highly optimistic na nga sa 65.8. But yun yung initial na target natin. But yun, once na mag-reach ng 64K, siguro adjust ko na yung stop loss ko as a trail stop na nga dito. And then, ito kasi yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. Usually after ng malaking dump na tulad nito, nakita natin kay Bitcoin, it usually comes off with a movement na ganito. Usually, mangyayari dyan is akit muna siya ng onte, and then magde-decline siya ulit dito further. So, babagsak siya ulit, maybe around the 59K siguro. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan is pwede siya mag-form ng next na bullish divergence in the daily time frame, which is ngayon, wala pa nagpo-form na bullish divergence in the daily time frame. So, once na ma-hit natin yung 64K, ang next thing na abangan natin is if babagsak ba siya ulit to 59 para mag-form ng next na bullish divergence. And then, if you're going to look at this in the weekly, another good thing then sa weekly time frame is increasing na din yung RSI natin dito sa weekly time frame. So, this is also a good sign na increasing na yung weekly time frame, kasi that is indicating na this could be one of the last few phases ng Bitcoin bear market dito. Magko-consolidate, babagsak na onte, consolidate, bagsak na onte. Then from there on, saka tayo makita ng bullish movement dito kay Bitcoin. So that is what I am currently expecting na nga dito. And yun yung monitor ko ngayon dito kay Bitcoin. It's very crucial na magkaroon man lang siya ng bullish divergence dito, kasi sa previous movement, ganoon yung nangyari dito. After ng massive crash, nagkaroon ng pag-increase, consolidate, increase, and then consolidate dito, bleed siya na onte, and then ayan, karoon siya ng bullish divergence dito. Ayan o, increasing RSI. So that is what we are going to monitor next if magkakaroon siya dito ng bullish divergence dito kay Bitcoin in the weekly time frame, which is going to take a lot of time, maybe a month or two bago ma-form yun, but in the daily time frame, yun din aabangan natin if magkaroon din ng bullish divergence din doon. But anyway, yun lang ma-update ko muna for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.